ONDO's price increased over 11% in one day, and the SEC officially approves all spot Ethereum ETFs. But what will happen to the ONDO price? In this video I will talk about ONDO and share my price prediction for the short and for the long term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily updates on Bitcoin, ONDO and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So guys, yesterday we got this massive breaking news that the SEC officially approves all spot Ethereum ETFs, which is massive. And as you can see, after we got the news, the ONDO price also pushed to the upside. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 26% for ONDO after the SEC news. And that's of course the Ethereum ETFs. If they are approved and if Ethereum rises to the upside, it also affects the real world asset niche in the cryptocurrency space. And I also talked about ONDO because ONDO is the biggest coin in the real world asset niche and the leadership. And with this bullish news, we then came into a new all-time high for ONDO. Because as you can see on the daily time frame, we are clearly in a bullish trend. We lately saw then this bullish increase to this last all-time high, and then we saw this longer accumulation phase. And after we broke out of this demand zone for the first time, we then are accumulating right here. And as you can see with this bullish news, we saw this push to the upside and made a new all-time high. And to calculate the next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1.36. And I think this is the very next interesting price target for ONDO. Just from the price right now to this next potential high, we have a potential of 24%. And if we have the more bullish price target, we would have potential over $1.86. And from the price right now to this high, we would have a potential of 69%. And I think the chance is really high that we could reach this price target in the near future. So I could imagine that we directly see higher prices to this bullish price targets. But it's really important how we react right now over this last all-time high. If we can find acceptance over here and seeing even higher prices, then I think that we will see even higher prices in the near future. But if we're seeing lower price again and moving directly under this last all-time high, then I think the chance is high that we could see the bearish move again. And then I think this demand zone area is the next very interesting area. Because after this accumulation and this bullish news, we then saw this push to the last all-time high. So if the price comes back into this zone and if we are seeing bullish price action, then the chance is really high that we could find a perfectly long opportunity and then continue the bullish trend to the upside. And if you want to copy my trades in real time, then join my exclusive signal group. I'm sharing here all of my real-time trading signals, crypto spot buys and sells, and my strategy insights. It's the second link in the description. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this bigger demand zone right here to get into a potential long trade on ONDO. And for the long term, I'm of course really bullish on this project. I also think that the real world asset niche will be one of the best niche performance in the bull cycle. And right now we just have a market cap of $8.5 billion, which is really nothing. And as I said, ONDO is the leader of this niche. So I think it will be also one of the biggest coins if the bull run is at the top. So I think in 10 to 20x for ONDO is very realistic for the cycle. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.